got the best number. Second row. Come on, flip it!
You guys are looking strong. Keep it up. Scott Harris up front. A very strong field of Cat 3 men. Good job. That's John.
Five breaks. Well, you got 5 of you guys. You can do it 1 each, so you can rest. 4 of you can rest while 1 of you works. And then, well, you'll work because it's your team. And then you'll come back, and then he'll work. And then you'll come back, and then he'll work. And eventually, one of those guys will stay off the front and never come back, and one of you guys will win. And the next race, it might be a different guy. All my guys in those yellow kits, every one of those guys has won races because they race for each other. It's all for one and one for all. We don't care which one of our team wins. And that way, they all win at some time. They don't know who to watch. They go after one guy, that guy comes back, they send another guy. And we will wear them out because we are a multi-headed drag.
Good job! Come on, guys!
One to go, one to go, one to go. Good job. One to go, one to go. Belt lap. One to go, one to go. Come on, Scott. One to go, one to go, one to go, one to go, one to go. The finish of everyone hopefully stays up in the last corner. And the finish is right now. Cat 3, 337, James.